Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. Let me give you a little story real quick. My son was checking out on his app or just searching around for the Foot Locker. He was searching for this Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG game. This is the white and royal blue color. So as you know, this one was launched back in March 24th, 2018. And the price is $160. So I believe this is one of the return that the customer returns. So anyway, he checked a couple of them. This one in Brea, and then the other one was in Montclair. So I told him if you, he woke up around 9 something, 9:40. Well, actually, he woke up around 9 something, and then he told me around 9:40. I said, if you want to cop the shoes, you better act up real quick or act on it, because if you wait too long, then it could be gone. So after we have a breakfast, I told him let's go right away, and then we went there. So on the way, we tried to call and make sure they still have available. So at the midpoint, we're about to get there, and then they say, yeah, they're still available. So we went there and then parked the car, and then just went into the Foot Locker and copped this right away. And this was the only size that was left, so we got lucky. Whoever bought this, he has a size 9, and then he returned it. I'm not sure, maybe he did a review and returned it, because you have 30 days to return the shoes back to Foot Locker. They cannot be worn or whatever. So anyway, enough of that story. Let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So this is $160 plus tax. So let me give you guys a 360 view at the box real quick. As you can see right here, it's kind of smashed up. And you got the Nike swoosh with the registered trademark over there and over there. It says 1985 Air Jordan 1. Nike and the swoosh name and stripe are trademarks. And this is the bottom. As you can see, it has a Nike, and then it says swoosh on the right hand side. And you always have this sticker. And this one is made in China. And here is the size. This is a USA size 9. Euro is 42.5. UK is size A. And then CM is 27. Retail price is $160, as you can see right there. US dollar, suggest retail. And this is the barcode, made in China. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So there's a swoosh over there on the cover as well. And then your Nike is back to back or facing each other. And then you got this stamp of the number. Then you got this tissue paper. It's kind of ripped, but anyway. So this is original, authentic. We just got this from the... Ooh, nice. So as you can see, the white toe box, and you got the royal blue. Got the nice stitching all around. Got your Nike swoosh. Right here on the ice day, right here. Got the Air Jordan with the wing logo. Got the Nike Air. Made in China. And there's your size label right there. Let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. Yeah. Then the insole, it says Nike Air. It's supposed to have that square size 9, but somehow I'm not sure if whoever bought this took it out or something. But so the insole you cannot remove; it is glued down. So it comes with the black lace. And then here is the other shoes. Come with the extra royal blue lace in a Ziploc bag. So this is the shoes tree. There's a Jumpman logo. And then 纸, that is mean paper in Chinese. Recycle. This is 9 to 9.5. Alright, so let me give you guys some feel real quick, guys, before we end this unboxing video. Well, anyway, guys, hopefully you guys like the video and then give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and be sure to hit that notification bell so whenever I upload new and latest video, you guys can check them out instantly. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video, guys. And please drop in your comments down below. Thank you for watching. Peace out, guys.